Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading. Recently you asked me a lot about making sets and making rings, and that is why I decided that I will make some rings matching bracelets that I did in the past. This Spanish style bracelet I did several months ago, and now I think it's time to make a ring matching this bracelet, and you will see by the variations of colors how different rings you could make by just changing a few colors here or there. And if you want to support me and make me do more videos and see more and more beautiful stuff, you could like, share and comment, and also if you haven't subscribed, you could subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming projects. And I'm linking this bracelet here at the eye icon to see how I'm making it. Now, if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, you could also share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need is one 6mm bead, and I'm using 11 seed beads in black and red, and I'm also using these beautiful twin beads, or you could use superduo beads or asmara beads, and that doesn't matter the brand, they are 2-hole beads and look really cool, and I'm using them in red and white. And I'm also using flat nose pliers just when I have difficulties my needle to go through my beads, and I'm using monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I'm using scissors of course. And now I will put 5 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 1.5 meters for those who measure in meters, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm going to start my work by taking my 6mm bead, and I will go through it leaving a small tail here. Okay, let's say 2 inches of tail. And now I will start adding beads. I will take one black seed bead and I will take a red bead. Okay, then one black and a red one again, and then one black and a red one and black one. So this is what I have. I have 3 2-hole beads and 4 black 11-ohs, okay? And I will go back through my bead, and here is my tail thread, and I'm holding it with my fingers, okay? And I'm going back in circle through my bead, okay? Now this is what I have. Still hold your tail thread, okay? And pull. Now I will take one seed bead and one red bead. I will basically repeat what I did. One black seed bead, one red twin bead, one black seed bead, one red twin bead. And I have 7 beads in total. 3 2-hole beads that could be asmara beads or twin beads or superduo beads, and 3 black seed beads. And 4 black seed beads. Okay, now this is what I have, and what I need to do next is go through all of those beads here in this direction, and I'm pulling my beads. Okay, and I'm exiting here out of my black bead, and here my 2 threads meet, my main thread and my tail thread, and what I want to do here is make a knot. And I will make my knot by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made. And then I'm going to pull and pull really tight, okay? Really tight, okay? And then what I want to do is reinforce these circle beads around my central bead. Okay guys, now I went through all of my beads, and as you see, my bead pops up from one of the sides, and it doesn't matter, it's important these beads here to meet. That is why I'm pulling so tight my work. And now my thread is here, I'm exiting out of this twin bead, and as I was like that, I flip my work this way, and now my thread is exiting out of here, and I will go through the empty hole of the same twin bead I'm exiting out of. And it is okay that this bead pops up from this side. Okay, now what I want to take are 3 white beads, and I'm going through the empty hole of my next twin bead. Then I'm taking 2, going through the following, 2 again, and again 3. Here where I have 2 seed beads, I add 3 beads. Everywhere else I add 2. And now guys, I want to go also through these 3 twin beads. Okay, just like that. Now I'm exiting of the inner hole of this twin bead. You see my thread. Okay, and now I will go through its top empty hole, and I will change directions, and here I will add 1 black seed bead, then I will take 1 more, add it here, then I will take 3 red beads, go through this one, 1 black, 3 red, 1 black, 3 red, okay, and I will continue doing this until the end of this row. Okay, now this is what I have, and what I want to do is go one more time reinforcing these circle beads here, and I will flip my work to be easier because I'm right-handed. Always flip your work the way it's easier for you. Okay guys, and because I wanna make my ring like this, these two beads to be from this side and here to attach my ring band, I will start my ring band from here, okay? And I will show you how I'm making it. I'm taking one seed bead and going back in circle through the same bead I have here, okay? So I'm making something like a loop between those two beads. You see how I'm connecting them? Okay, then I go through this bead here, take just one seed bead, then I will repeat this with my middle bead, and I'm pulling, still forming something like a loop here, you see? Then I will go back through this red bead, okay? Then I will take one more red bead and I will go back through this first one here. And because it's too tight, sometimes it's difficult to go through it, but I'll do it anyway, okay? Like that. Then I'm going back through this bead like I did before. Then what I want to do, although it will be a little bit difficult, is that I want to go back through these three beads. And if you can't do this, use your pliers, okay? If you don't have this type of jewelry pliers, you could do it with regular pliers, okay? Now I'm going through these beads here. Now I will take one seed bead, and you see where my thread is. I'm exiting out of this red bead, and I will go back in circle through this bead. You see, again, I have a loop between those beads. I'm going back through it. In this project I'm using monofilament. I prefer using monofilament when I make rings, okay? Then what I want to do is go through this middle bead here and pull, then back through the same one, and I will take one more seed bead, go back through the previous one from my previous row, pull, you see what I have, pull, then go back through this bead here. And again, what I want to do is go through my previous row, and this time it's easier because I just added this and I haven't been so many times through it, and I'm going back through these three beads here, and I will repeat this one more time, adding one bead, going through the previous one, going back through the one I just added, one more, go through the central one, back through it, one more, back through the previous one, back through the one I just added, go through all of the beads from your previous row, use your pliers if it's difficult for you, and go back through all of your beads here. And this is what I have. Now I will continue. I think I did 19 rows for my fingers, but you could do as many rows as you want. And when I continue doing this and I'm back, I will show you how I attach this side to this one. Okay guys, and do as many rows as you want, just to be sure that it will be really easy wrapped around your finger. Okay, and now I will show you how I'm attaching this side to the other one, okay, to this one. And in order to do this, I will go, as I'm exiting from this bead here, you see my thread is shining, so I'm sure you will be able to see it. And I'm going through this one, the first one from this row. Then I'm going back through this one. You see the loop that I'm having here, and I'm pulling. Then I will go back through this one and through the following, and I need to go through this middle bead here, okay. Now again I should go through two beads, these two here, in order to connect my last bead. Okay, and I'm connecting my last beads. Then I want to go through some beads in this direction. I will exit here, and what I want to do is make a loop here, just like that, and I will go once and I will go second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I will go through my following bead, and you could repeat this several more times, and when you're ready, cut your thread. Okay guys, and when I cut my thread, my ring is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos, and you could help me by like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my videos, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check out my bracelet here that I did last year, and I'm linking to it here at the icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.